Welcome back. You're watching Investors Guide on ET Now. Thank you for staying with us. I'm going to bring in Suresh Surana at this point. He's going to answer some of the questions you sent in on tax. Suresh, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Our first question comes in from Ashish. Now, he tells us he makes an annual income of 5.5 lakh rupees. He's a software engineer in Pune. And he tells us that his younger brother right now is doing his BTech. And it's about 2 lakh rupees a year that costs them in tuition. And because his father is a serviceman and can't afford that money, Ashish has been paying that money. He wants to know if he can claim income tax benefits for this money. Should he show it going out of his own account? Should he show it going out of his father's account? What's the best way to do that?
The deduction which is available for the tuition fees is only for the children, which is basically for 2 children. You can claim deduction under section 80C. There is no deduction available for the tuition fee paid for the brother. So as such, you will not be able to claim any deduction. The only thing which is possible, in case your father has a taxable income and in case the father pays the tuition fees, he can claim it as a deduction. You can separately gift to your father. There is no gift tax on the gift being given by a major son to the father. To that extent, probably some benefit can be claimed, but there is no way otherwise that by your paying directly the tuition fee, you would be able to claim it as a deduction under the Income Tax Act.
Our next question comes in from Vinayak. He's 76 years old. He tells us he has trouble filing his taxes online, Suresh. He wants to know if there's still a possibility in which he can submit the tax return in the physical form. What do you say?
Yeah, so Mr. Vinayak, there is a TRP scheme which the Central Board of Direct Taxes have come up with, and the details are given on www.trpscheme.com. There are number of tax return practitioners who are there, including in your area in Thane, and they can help you to file the return electronically at a very nominal cost. Normally the fee ranges somewhere 250 rupees to 500 rupees. So it's a very nominal cost, and I'm sure you can find people in your vicinity who can help you in this process.
We have time for one last question. Swaraj has written in. Now, he tells us he buys and sells shares in the short term and uses the money, of course, and the profit he makes to buy more shares. Now, he doesn't tell us if he's a trader, so we don't know if that's a professional income. He wants to know how he should go about paying short-term capital gains tax. Suresh.
Swaraj, in the case of shares which are held for 12 months or less, any capital gain which arises will be termed as a short-term capital gain. And if you are selling the shares through stock exchange, you will be liable to pay tax at the rate of 15%. There is no exemption available even if you reinvest the same in buying some other shares for short-term capital gain. If you have been holding the shares for more than 12 months and then if you sell it through stock exchange, then the long-term capital gain is exempted from tax and there is no tax on that. In case you are holding the shares which are not listed, or the shares which are listed, but if you sell it, if you are selling it otherwise than through stock exchange, then the short-term capital gain is liable to tax at the normal rate of tax, which is depending on the slab which you fall in, could be 10, 20 or 30%. But unfortunately, there is no exemption available for reinvestment of short-term capital gains.
All right, Suresh, thank you so much for answering questions on the show this week. That brings us to the end of the show. Remember, next week we'll start our year-end specials. We're going to take a look at all of the portfolios that we've been running on this show for the last 5 years. And the week after that, we'll give you mutual funds to invest in 2014. You don't want to miss either of those shows. Remember, you can reach me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.